Hello, this is Jenny speaking, and this is part 2 of a 3-part video series on how to create an offer in your vendor back office. So in part 1, the video showed how to create your heading or your title and how to add your photographs. Now we're going to look at converting your local currency into action coins so that we come up for a voucher price, and how to find your category. So the first thing we're going to look at is the action price. We're only going to focus on the price field here. Please do not enter anything at this point in time into the discounted price. We're only going to focus on the main price of the voucher. So what you're going to want to do here is convert your currency, the amount in local currency of your voucher, into action. And right now we do that by converting first our local currency to US dollars, and then taking the US dollar price, multiplying it by 1,000, and that gives us the price of action. That may change in the future, but that is how it is being done at this point in time. So in order to find the best way to find how to convert your currency into American is a website that we use called xe.com. And on xe.com, it's very simple. You're going to put in the amount in your currency to US dollars. So I'm looking for 10 US Canadian dollars. So in order to find, you can just, they're alphabetical, but you can just start typing and it'll bring up what you're looking for. 10 Canadian dollars to US dollars. I click here and it tells me that that is equal in US dollars to 7.558 US dollars. So when I multiply this by 1,000, it would be 7,558 action. So I'm going to come back here, and this voucher is 7,558 action, will buy the customer an action voucher that they can use to save $10 off the price of the running shoes. And you can do this with any, I'll go back over here to XE, you can do this with any country. Let's say I wanted to convert 500 cedi, Ghanaian cedi. So I would just put in Ghana, G-H-A-N-A, and it'll bring up Ghanaian cedi into US dollars, and it's 102 US dollars. So this voucher would be $102,000 because it's 102 US dollars times 1,000 is $102,000. When it's bigger numbers, you can round them off, or you can use 102,336 action. That's up to you, but they can be rounded off when they get up into these bigger numbers. Okay, back to the dashboard. Now we're going to select a category. This is really just so people can find your ad on the Action website. So they're listed by country. You're going to find your country. I'm in Canada, but I'll just scroll down and show you. We have all North America, and then we have Asia, I believe. Then we have Africa, because this is all in alphabetical order. Europe. But in my case, this shoe store is in Canada. So it's Canada. And my next is British Columbia, which is my state or province that I'm in. And in British Columbia, you want to find out what kind of an offer is this. Is it dining? Is it a service? Is it education? In this case, it is merchandise. So you're going to click merchandise. Unless you click that final step of merchandise, your offer will not show up on the website. It has to have the entire full category filled in. The country, the continent, the country, and the type of offer it is. Merchandise, dining, whatever. And that's all we're going to put in this video. It's the end of the video. The next video, the final video, is just going to talk about the product tags and your short description about the product and what to put in there. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Video 2, 3 will be coming shortly.